What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the G35. So like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right down below the video. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, feel free to put that thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, you already know what to do. Put that thumbs down. And like always, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any video that I put on the channel. And like always, if you do those three things, I'd greatly appreciate it. And you'll be part of the G35 fam. So, that being said, let's get this video started. So, if you saw the thumbnail and the title, this is part 2 of my LED install on the interior of the G35. So, if you haven't seen part 1, check that one out. I'll put like a card up here so you can click on it, or just watch to the end of the video. And I'll put that video, that way you can click on that. And I'll also put the video where I installed the LEDs for the floorboard. So if you want to see those two videos, I would check them out before you see this one, but it doesn't matter. So like I said on my last video, I did the LED trim on the dash, and I was just waiting for the LEDs to come in so I can complete the interior look, and I was going to do the middle console. So my lights finally came in, so I'm ready to install them, and we're going to see how it turns out. So yeah, let's get this video started. Alright, so as you see, these are the ones that I got. Now, I got the blue because I had got the orange and the yellow, and I wanted to match like the gauges on the G35, but they didn't look anything compared to the gauges on the G35. So I ended up just sticking with the blue because it looks cleaner, or not cleaner, but it's personally what I like. I know they have other ones like purple and red, but I just got the blue because that's my favorite color. But I also got this type of style with the AA. The reason why I like getting these is because you can hide the wires, and you don't have to plug anything to your cigarette lighter, so nothing's exposed. For like the 06, 05 G35s, y'all cigarette lighters right here. So if I had this plugged in, I mean, it would kind of look weird. So that's why I have it like that, so you can see it hidden. But you know, you can get whatever you want, but personally I like getting this one right here. You just need 2 AA batteries. So yeah, so for the 05, 06, I'm gonna pretty much illuminate all this right here. The 03, 04, it's a little bit different because your middle console doesn't have the shifter, the trim like this. It's more of a round piece, and then it doesn't have this right here. It's all one piece. So for y'all guys, to illuminate the middle console, I was thinking maybe y'all could put y'all's lights right here and hide them in there. And then right here where it splits this part with this part, just write it along that piece. And then bring it all the way back up to right here. Bring it right here. And the reason why I always like bringing my wires this way is because you can take off this cover under the steering wheel column, and you can hide all your wires right there, and then bring it all down here just like that. But you could do whatever you want, but I just did that with that one, and I'm probably gonna do it with this because I mean, it's a cleaner install, and it's easy accessible to just, you know, hit the button. But anyways, let's get this installed, and then, you know, we'll see how it comes out. So I'm going to start off right here with my LED lights, and you know, we're going to see how it turns out. Now I have this little piece right here because I don't want to pinch the wire too bad, but I just want to get it in that little crack. So, you know, I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to see how it comes out. Alright, so as you can see, I have the wire right there coming down right here, so that way when I close it, it still shows the wire. And then you bring it down right here, and then right here. So because right here you can't really pick this up, and I don't want to pinch the wire, I'm gonna kind of shake this wire just enough for when I bring it back over here, it has some, you know, play to it, but it forms that shape. So I'm going to do that right now, and then we're going to see how it comes out. Alright, you see what I mean, guys? It's kind of loose, so maybe Maybe I could put something right there, like, I don't know, to hold it down. I tried shaping it, but as you can see, it's still raising up a little bit. I don't know if I need to push this down a little bit, but that's how it's gonna look for now. I mean, I wish it looked like that, but maybe I could shape it. So as you can see, I started from here, come down, go up, and then I'm gonna bring it right here. I'm gonna bring it back there, and then I'll put it back here, and I'll open this up and hide it. So we're gonna do that right now and see how it comes out. Okay, as you see, I have it open. Put the wire right here. The wire's right there, hidden. Well, not so much hidden, but it's, you know, back there. I'm gonna pull this right here, and I'm gonna hide it back there. Come out from back here, and then once I have it hanging, I'll hide it in this piece, little part right here, and then I'll put it right here. So I'm gonna do that right now. Put this wire down there, expose it, and then I'll show you the next step. So as you see, like I said, I have the wire right here exposed. What I'll probably do, because I have all the slack, I'll probably get some electrical tape and tape it up, all the slack, and then hide it in there, just where I can have this little termination right here. That way I can, you know, put my little AA batteries, little you know, the transformer, put it right there, and then you know, I'll be able to access it. So I'm gonna do that right now, and we're gonna see how it comes out. All right, guys, so as you can see, it's a little bit dark out here, but I just wanted it to be just a little bit dark, that way you can see how it looks at night. So without further ado, let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, there we go. I mean, it's not the best, but that's pretty much what it looks like. Let's this is the back seat. Let me see my LEDs right here. So boom. Let me know what y'all think, guys. I tried to make it look as clean as possible. I mean, there is a little bit of, you know, spots where you can tell, but I mean, I think it looks good. Like I said, I don't want to make it look too over tacky, but you know, like I said, the only downfall about these is there's two things. Whatever color you get, that's the color you're gonna have to stay with. You can't change it like my floorboard lights. They do make those, but you know, they're a little more pricier than these. These, like I said, were only $6. But that, and then that noise that's coming from the batteries, it's pretty much when you have the lights illuminating, it's you know, having that power, that surge, so it's, you know, giving it that ringing tone. But other than that, I like the way it looks. To avoid that, I just usually put my my radio on pretty loud. But yeah, guys, so let me know what y'all think. Like I said, it's a real easy process. I got those for like $6. So total I spent maybe like $14, and then, you know, you get some batteries and that's it. But it came out pretty good, guys. So like always, if you enjoyed the content, please put that thumbs up, and you know, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And I'd appreciate it if you share this video, man. I mean, I haven't really seen this type of look on the you know, the interior. I've seen other videos where they do the interior, but this one's a little bit different. So, you know, if y'all like the way it looks, share the video and, you know, get it out there. Even if it's not, you know, the middle console, just the dash. I mean, it still looks clean with the whole setup. But I like the way it came out. So, like always, it's your boy G Money, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.